Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. The influence of social status on male mating success is a complex and multifaceted topic that has been studied in various fields, including evolutionary biology, psychology, sociology, and anthropology. Social status can play a significant role in an individual's ability to attract and engage in successful mating behaviors, but the specific effects can vary depending on cultural, societal, and individual factors. One of the most well-established findings is that men of higher social status tend to have more sexual partners than men of lower social status. This is likely due to a number of factors, including attractiveness. Social status is often associated with characteristics that are considered attractive in a mate. These characteristics can include physical attractiveness, intelligence, wealth, and social skills. Men with high social status may be more attractive to potential partners due to their access to resources and opportunities. Parental investment. Men of higher social status are often able to provide more parental investment for their offspring. This can be attractive to women, as it increases the chances that their children will survive and thrive. In addition to these direct effects, social status can also influence male mating success indirectly. For example, men of higher social status are often perceived as being more intelligent, competent, and trustworthy. These qualities can be attractive to women, as they can increase the chances that a man will be a good provider and father. Mate choice. Evolutionary theories, such as the parental investment theory, suggest that individuals, especially women, may be more selective when choosing a mate. Higher social status can signal a man's ability to provide for and protect a potential partner and their offspring, which may make him more desirable as a mate. Mate guarding. Men of higher social status are often able to invest more time and energy into mate guarding, which is the act of preventing other men from mating with their partners. This can be done through a variety of means, such as physical aggression, social ostracism, or simply by being more attentive to their partners. Resource provisioning. Men with higher social status often have access to more resources, which can enhance their ability to provide for a family. This provision of resources may make them more attractive to potential partners who are seeking a stable and secure environment. Competitive advantage. In some social and cultural contexts, men with higher social status may have a competitive advantage in attracting mates. This may involve competing with other men for the attention and affection of potential partners, and social status can be a factor that influences the outcome of such competition. Sociocultural variability. The impact of social status on male mating success can vary greatly across different cultures and societies. What is considered high social status in one culture may not be the same in another, and the importance of social status in mate selection can vary accordingly. Individual differences. It's important to note that individual differences also play a significant role. Not all individuals prioritize social status in mate selection, and other factors such as personality, shared interests, and emotional connection can be equally or more important. Changing dynamics. Over time, societal norms and dynamics can influence how social status affects mating success. For example, in more egalitarian societies, the importance of social status may be reduced, and other qualities and attributes may become more prominent in mate selection. In conclusion, the influence of social status on male mating success is a complex interplay of biological, psychological, social, and cultural factors. While social status can have a significant impact on attractiveness and mate selection in many contexts, it is just one of many factors that individuals consider when choosing a mate. Moreover, the importance of social status can vary widely across different cultures and over time. Of course, social status is not the only factor that influences male mating success. Other factors, such as physical attractiveness, personality, and social skills, also play a role. However, Social status is a significant factor that can have a major impact on a man's ability to attract mates. The relationship between social status and male mating success is complex and multifaceted. However, it is clear that social status can play a significant role in a man's ability to attract mates.